The Federal Reserve's FedNow program refers to the central bank's effort to provide immediate support to financial institutions in times of crisis. This program has been utilized during times of economic distress, such as the 2008 financial crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic. One key aspect of the FedNow program is the Federal Reserve's ability to provide overnight lending facilities to banks and other financial institutions. These loans allow banks to access short-term funding when they might not be able to secure it elsewhere. The Federal Reserve also has the ability to purchase large amounts of assets, such as government bonds or mortgage-backed securities, in order to inject liquidity into the markets and stabilize interest rates. The Now program is considered a crucial tool in the Federal Reserve's arsenal for managing monetary policy and responding to financial crises. However, some critics argue that the program represents an overextension of the central bank's power and could create moral hazard by encouraging banks to take on excessive risk. Nevertheless, many experts agree that the Now program has been instrumental in preventing a more severe economic downturn during times of crisis. Advocates of a cashless society argue that such a system would be more convenient, efficient, and secure than a traditional cash-based economy. For one, electronic payments are much faster and more convenient than cash transactions, allowing for quicker and more efficient purchases. Additionally, electronic payments eliminate the need for cash handling and storage, which helps to reduce the cost and risk associated with managing large amounts of cash. Another major benefit of a cashless society is increased security. Electronic payments are nearly impossible to counterfeit or steal, and they can be easily tracked and traced, making it easier to prevent fraud and illegal transactions. Finally, a cashless society would also make it easier to fight corruption, money laundering, and tax evasion, as all transactions would be transparent and easily traceable. However, opponents of a cashless society argue that such a system could have serious negative consequences. For one, it could lead to greater financial exclusion, as not everyone has access to electronic payment systems or knows how to use them. Additionally, a cashless society could put personal privacy at risk, as all transactions would be recorded and potentially monitored by the government or other organizations. Moreover, there are concerns that a cashless society could exacerbate economic inequality, as those who are already financially vulnerable might find themselves further marginalized in a cashless world. Finally, some experts express concern about the potential for technical glitches, hacking, or other technological failures that could cause widespread disruption and chaos in a cashless society.